He refreshed the page again. The number hadn't moved. 2 weeks ago, the screen had glowed with possibility, a dashboard filled with graphs, automated trades, AI-generated content pipelines, projected earnings that seemed to multiply while he slept. It felt like standing at the edge of something historic. A moment where the old rules no longer applied. Now, in the quiet of his apartment, the same screen looked smaller. He had told himself this would be different. Not another trend. Not another missed opportunity. This time, the intelligence wasn't human. It was artificial. Limitless. Tireless. Mathematical. And if intelligence creates money, then more intelligence must create more money. That was the promise. But what he never stopped to ask was simpler. If AI can make anyone rich overnight, why isn't everyone already? He wasn't reckless. He was tired. Tired of feeling behind. Tired of watching colleagues talk about side projects and sudden wins. Tired of the quiet anxiety that hums in the background of adulthood, rent, inflation, expectations. AI arrived not just as a technology, but as relief. A shortcut out of uncertainty. It started innocently. A few videos explaining how automation could build online businesses. A thread about AI-powered trading bots that remove emotion. A newsletter claiming the biggest wealth transfer in history had already begun. He didn't see greed in himself. He saw efficiency. If machines can think faster, write faster, analyze faster, then wealth must accelerate too. That assumption feels logical. It also hides something deeper. Every financial revolution arrives wrapped in the same story. This time, it's different. The tools are smarter. The barriers are gone. The early adopters win. When personal computers entered homes, they promised productivity. When the internet arrived, it promised access. When social media exploded, it promised reach. And now AI promises leverage, intelligence at scale. Each wave created wealth. But not evenly. Not instantly. And not for most. What makes AI feel different is speed. Outputs in seconds. Code without coding. Essays without writing. Art without paint. It feels like skipping the long apprenticeship of skill. But wealth has never simply followed tools. It follows positioning. He believed AI would remove the hard part. Experience, patience, trial and error. He believed intelligence, once automated, would turn effort into outcome without friction. What he didn't see was that tools amplify existing advantages. When AI generates content, it doesn't automatically generate attention. When it scans markets, it doesn't erase risk. When it builds websites, it doesn't manufacture trust. It accelerates production. It does not guarantee demand. The system underneath AI is still the same system underneath everything else. Markets reward scarcity, judgment, and distribution. And AI makes many things less scarce. When everyone can produce high-quality content, quality stops being rare. When everyone has access to predictive models, prediction becomes crowded. When everyone can automate, automation becomes ordinary. The intelligence becomes cheaper. And when something becomes cheaper, the value shifts somewhere else. He didn't lose money because AI failed. He lost money because he mistook speed for advantage. He subscribed to tools he barely understood. Paid for access to signals shared by thousands. Launched projects identical to ones already flooding the internet. The dashboards were impressive, the results were average. The real cost wasn't financial. It was psychological. Each quiet failure felt heavier because the narrative had been so powerful. If a machine this intelligent couldn't make him win, what did that say about him? This is the unspoken cost of overnight wealth stories. They compress time, they hide iteration, they frame success as discovery instead of endurance. AI does create wealth, but rarely in the way it's marketed. The companies building the infrastructure earn first. The platforms hosting the models earn consistently. The individuals who combine domain knowledge with AI gain leverage. The rest compete in crowded pools, mistaking access for edge. There is something almost poetic about it. AI is designed to remove friction from thinking. But wealth has always been shaped by friction, uncertainty, risk, timing, trust. Remove too much friction and you remove differentiation. In a strange way, intelligence becomes abundant. And abundance changes incentives. When he first saw his automated systems running, it felt like money had been outsourced, but wealth isn't just output, it's judgment layered over time. It's knowing what not to automate. It's knowing which signal to ignore. AI can generate possibilities endlessly. It cannot decide which possibility matters. That still belongs to the human. The quiet truth is that AI didn't fail him. It exposed him. It revealed how much of his urgency was emotional. How much of his strategy was imitation. How much of his belief in overnight wealth was rooted in exhaustion, not analysis. Technology changes tools. It rarely changes human behavior. And markets are made of behavior. Some people will build enduring fortunes in this era. Not because AI thinks for them, but because they understand where value migrates when intelligence becomes cheap. They'll focus on ownership, distribution, credibility. On problems that persist even when tools evolve. The rest will chase outputs. In the stillness of his apartment, the numbers on the screen weren't catastrophic. They were simply ordinary. No explosion. No collapse. Just the quiet flattening of expectations. He closed the dashboard. For the first time, he wondered whether the promise had been misinterpreted. Maybe AI wasn't a ladder out of financial anxiety. Maybe it was just another mirror, reflecting the same old patterns, only faster. And perhaps the real question was never whether AI could make him rich overnight, but why he needed it to. If this story felt familiar, if you've ever believed the next tool would finally change everything, then you're not alone. Unspoken finance exists for these quiet realizations. The moments behind the money, the psychology beneath the headlines, the truths we rarely say out loud. If you value calm, reflective finance stories without hype or noise, consider subscribing. And if this episode made you pause, comment with one word. Overnight. Sometimes the most powerful financial shift begins not with a strategy, but with an honest reflection.